Hey guys, it's me Stace. I'm back again today with another Cricut video. We're also doing our Making a Monday project and another Christmas in July project. And today we were making this adorable little mug. How cute is that? And I just have a hot cocoa packet in there with a candy cane. Then it has a little tag with ribbon. I just go to the computer and we will get started. I'm at the computer. I'm already logged into Design Space. You want to go where it says Cricut Access and click on View All. In the upper right hand corner where it says Cricut Access, we're going to click on that and then go down and click on Christmas. And the project we are making is this one here. It's the Hot Cocoa Mug Gift Box. Go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up a preview window. Very bottom, click on Customize. Now if you leave it the size as it is now, it will require a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. I did resize mine, so I was able to fit it onto an 8.5 by 11. So what I'm going to do is take my mouse across all the pieces. Make sure they're all within inside that square. Go to the very top toolbar where the size is, leaving the lock locked, changing just the width, and I made the width be 10.5. Click on Enter. Now I'm going to go to my right hand side toolbar and click on Make It. So we have this snowflake. Now this does require vinyl, but I just cut out mine in cardstock. Then we have the piece for the tag, the other piece for the tag, and then we have the box. And you can see the box because we resized it. You can now use a smaller piece of cardstock. So I'm going to combine mat 1 and 2. So I'm going to click on my tag here, the 3 little dots, move object, and choose this mat here and confirm it. And then just move these over. So I cut both of my pieces out here in white cardstock. If you want to have your snowflake be in vinyl, just leave it the way it was. I'm going to click on continue, cut this out, go to the table, and we'll put the mug together. Alright, we're back. Everything cut out. I'm going to go ahead and first finger press all the score marks, just to get them started. Then we'll go back in with our bone folder. Okay, we'll go back in with your bone folder. And we get all these pieces as well. Ones. This actually goes together really easy. Alright, so we have that. We're first going to go ahead and put glue on our flap, and I'm using art glitter glue. I get it from mamiemadeit.com. You want to have your glue go all the way to the folded edge. And just bring this around and line it up. Go in there and press on that. Okay, so now we have our mug. Now, to glue it, we're just going to take these little flaps, all these little flaps out, and we're going to work with these small triangle pieces. Okay, so you're going to bring one of them in, and you'll see how it just kind of lines up. You're just going to put glue right on that. So I'm going to put glue on this little triangle flap here. Then bring it over and line it up with the one side. Just like that. It fits in there pretty easy. And work my way around. You want that score mark to line up with this edge. Okay, a few more. This one's the last one. That's going to cover up all the little triangle pieces that we're gluing together now. Okay, and then I'm just going to put glue all around this piece. Oh, and that one. Let's go back and glue that guy down. Okay, and then glue all these down. And then we can bring this guy over to cover all that up. And I'm just going to go inside and just push it down. Okay, that's the base for our mug. Now we have the handle. There's a little score mark right here. There's also score marks here. Now, I don't know where these score marks are supposed to go to. but I did fold them. But what I want to do first is take my bone fold and just curl this cardstock a little bit to get that bend already. We're going to take this and figure out what side of your mug. Just put it on the inside here, and this piece is going to get glued down to this piece down here. But I don't know what the scroll marks are there for. And maybe I'm supposed to glue them down like that. Maybe. We'll try that and see how this goes. Okay, so bring that in. Okay, and I'm just going to lay it down flat so I can push on the flaps in there. And I don't see what purpose them square marks have there. So I'm like, I gotta be doing something wrong. All right, now I'm gonna take glue on this piece and bring it down to the bottom. Okay, just like that. You want to hold it there for a minute. Really, really cute. Because I have hot cocoa mix and a candy cane in mine, only because I don't have any Christmas candy, obviously. But I think marshmallows would work in there really well. Sorry about that. All right, now we have our tag. Now I did get new blades for my Cricut. Look at that snowflake. Now this was supposed to be cut out in vinyl. I cut it out in cardstock. And the blades I got them from Amazon. This was a 15 pack. I'm going to link them below because they are super sharp and they cut out. Like my Cricut would laugh at me if I tried cutting that out. But today I laughed because it cut it out really, really well. I'm just going to put some glue around here. Just our little to and from tag. Just get it all lined up. Okay, now, as I said, this was supposed to cut out in vinyl. I did not do that. So I'm just going to put some glue on the snowflake all around the ends. Not too far out. I'll take some paper and just dab off my extra glue there. And then just put this on the front like that. So it has that 3D look to it, but it's not glued down. Because if I tried doing that, the cardstock would resist me. All right, now let's go ahead and fold it up. I have a little cellophane bag here. You can take one from the Dollar Tree or Dollar General, and they are $1. All right, so I'm going to put that in there. Put my hot cocoa pack in and my candy cane. And then grab some ribbon. I'm going to use that same ribbon that I've been using, that sheer ribbon. I'm just going to tie this into a knot, just like that, keep it nice and tight. I'm going to feed my tag through there. Just squish the end, poke through the hole. If you want to, if you're using a thicker ribbon, you can use a hole punch and make your hole bigger there. Okay, and then just make a loop, and then a bow. Just like that. Again, I'm just going to adjust my loops a little bit so they're not so big. And cut my tails off. How cute is that, right? I mean, just adorable. I love that. Super easy too. All right guys, there you have it. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.